Welcome to the top best. The best human anatomy is probably one of the most fascinating and fundamental subjects you can explore, offering an incredible journey into the intricate workings of the human body, from the smallest cell to the most complex organ systems, revealing the marvels of biological design and function that allow us to move, think, and live, making it an essential field for anyone curious about themselves or pursuing a career in health sciences. Number 5. SMARTLAB Squishy Human Body Anatomy Kit. Ever wondered what's inside you? This amazing kit lets you explore the human body like never before. You can remove and rebuild 21 realistic organs, bones, and muscles. Use the included forceps and tweezers to carefully examine each part. Then, put it all back together, from the toes to the skullcap. It's a truly immersive learning experience. This exceptional value includes a 12-inch clear plastic body model, 9 squishy organs, and 12 plastic bones and muscles. It also comes with tools, an organizer mat, and an instruction sheet. Dive deeper with the 24-page illustrated anatomy book. Follow a slice of pizza's journey through the body and understand how different systems interact. It features real organ photos and answers common questions. Designed by SMARTLAB Toys, a leader in educational play, this kit encourages problem-solving and divergent thinking. It helps children develop real-world skills and concepts in a fun way. Ideal for budding scientists aged 8 and up, it's a great addition to any homeschool curriculum. Anyone fascinated with how their body works will love exploring it. What we like? This interactive model offers a unique hands-on experience with its squishy, removable organs and bones. If you are looking for an engaging, tactile way to learn about anatomy, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for young learners or anyone who prefers a playful, exploratory approach to science. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract points from. Number 4. Knowledge Encyclopedia Human Body. Explore the incredible world inside you. This comprehensive guide reveals the complexities of human anatomy. It's designed to show you everything. Witness breathtaking illustrations and detailed diagrams. They bring every system and organ to life with unparalleled clarity. You'll see it all in vivid detail. Delve deep into how your body works. It covers everything from cells to complex systems, explaining each function thoroughly. You'll understand every part. Learn fascinating facts and understand intricate processes. This encyclopedia makes learning about yourself captivating and easy to grasp. It's truly an engaging experience. Whether you're a student or just curious, it offers an unparalleled journey. You've truly never seen human anatomy presented quite like this. It redefines how you view yourself. What we like? This encyclopedia provides a visually stunning and comprehensive dive into human anatomy. If you love absorbing information through rich illustrations and detailed explanations, this book will captivate you. It's ideal for curious minds seeking a broad and accessible overview of the body's wonders. What people say. Number 3. DK Human Body Guides, the complete human body. Ever wondered about the intricate workings within you? This guide offers an unparalleled journey into the human body, revealing its secrets. With breathtaking illustrations and detailed diagrams, it brings complex anatomy to life. You'll see every system and organ in vivid detail. It's the ultimate resource for understanding human biology. From cells to systems, it covers everything you need to know about them. Whether you're a student, a healthcare professional, or simply curious, it's designed for everyone. Discover the marvels of your own physiology with it. Dive deep into the science of life with this essential companion. It makes learning about yourself fascinating and accessible. Understand how your body functions, from skeletal structure to nervous system. It simplifies complex concepts with clarity. What we like? As a definitive visual guide, this book offers an unparalleled depth of information with stunning imagery. If you need a thorough and authoritative reference that covers every aspect of the human body, this guide is indispensable. It's best suited for serious students or anyone desiring a comprehensive visual resource. What people say. Number 2. NETTER'S Atlas of Human Anatomy. Dive into the intricate world of the human body. It provides unparalleled visual detail for students and professionals alike. Experience the clarity and precision of NETTER'S world-famous artwork. Each illustration is meticulously crafted to enhance your understanding. Whether you're a student or a practicing professional, it serves as an indispensable resource. It simplifies complex anatomical structures, making learning more accessible. From skeletal to muscular, nervous to circulatory, it covers every system in detail. You'll find everything you need for a complete anatomical overview. With its clear visuals and concise explanations, mastering human anatomy has never been easier. It's your ultimate guide to the human form. What we like. This classic atlas is renowned for its precise and medically accurate anatomical illustrations. If you are a medical student or a professional requiring highly detailed and reliable anatomical drawings, this is the gold standard. Its clarity and precision make it an essential tool for in-depth study. What people say. Number 1. EVOTECH Scientific Human Body, Skeleton and Heart Models. Pictures, books, and posters are often not enough for a deeper understanding of human anatomy. This bundle provides immersive, hands-on 3D models designed to help students and spark their interest. These portable models are designed and crafted with utmost anatomical details. They come in convenient sizes, making them a fun and accessible way to learn. To further aid your studies, this kit includes detailed illustrations and guides from experts. You'll find a human body and system anatomy brochure, a chart for the skeleton, and a manual for the human heart model. These anatomical models are 100% hand-painted with great craftsmanship, blending knowledge with art. They feature carefully selected sturdy bases and can even decorate your space nicely. These inspiring tools are perfect for students to develop an early interest in science and the human body. They make learning engaging and present for every student. What we like. This bundle provides 3 distinct, high-quality 3D models for a truly hands-on learning experience. If you prefer to learn by physically interacting with anatomical structures, this set offers excellent value. It's perfect for educators or students who benefit from tangible, detailed representations. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.